The Rothco zipper pull folding knife. Got it for $6 at Riverside Survival. It looks so much like the Gerber GDC zipper knife. Yeah. Even up to the color scheme. Titanium coated stainless steel. Interesting. So it looks like a frame lock. But it completely does not lock up. It does have a nice thick stout blade. That is dull. So it does not lock up and it's dull. Little nail nick there. Man, I am so off camera. Little nail nick there. So I'll just sharpen that up. And yeah, I'm not going to mess with trying to quote fix it. It was $6. It's just something to check out. I can still use it though. I mean, once I sharpen the blade, you know, it's just a really small. Just got to remember it doesn't lock up. I don't know if that'll wear in eventually. Yeah. But hey, $6. So that is the Rothco zipper pull. I don't know, remember what the package said. I just already threw it away. But anyway, okay, there you go. Okay, so I did open and close it a couple more times, and now it locks up. So I don't know if I just needed to fully pull back on the blade. You can even hear it. So yeah, so it's fully locked up now. That's good. Still need to sharpen that blade though. I may use this as a keychain knife, at least for a little bit. was wondering what it was they bought together.